Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So we're going to start in the entryway. This is how I decorated. I think it came out so cute. Okay, so right here is now my dining room on the side. It's fully decorated for Easter. And then here is my living room. So it's very springy with a touch of like Eastery things. Do you notice my new floors? They just put them in and I am in love with them. I love it. It's so clean and shiny. Got rid of the rugs. I would like a different color, but my landlord picked this. I'm in a rental like I told you, but I just love it and it's so clean and airy and so perfect for spring. But yeah, I'm enjoying the floors. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I just love everything how it turned out, and I'm going to give you a closer look. I'm just showing you an overview, and then I'm going to give you closer shots so you can see everything how I decorated and what's in everything, like my fireplace, my side table. So I think that's going to be fun, and I'm going to start now and just give you close-ups of everything.